Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for profiles on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the app. Then tap on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And in the top section tap on search for ideas. And type in the name of the user or something you are interested in. Tap on search. And at the top section tap on profiles. And you can see the relevant profiles. And if you tap on follow at the right side of the screen, then you can follow those profiles. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!